Hi guys, Steph here. Right, we've got for you yet another beautiful fountain pen and yet another pen that was sat in the drawer, a little bit sad, has been restored and deserves a review and deserves a new home. So this one, we'll look for a new home for it, so that somebody can enjoy it for many, many years to come. So what is it that we have? As I said, we have a gorgeous, gorgeous pen. Now this one is the Chatsworth Pen. The Chatsworth Pen, I hear you say. And I hear you say, I've seen them before, I've heard of them before. Well, I've actually shown you, I think, a couple of Chatsworth pens. In fact, one of them being a older Chatsworth pen. And what I'll do, I'll leave you a link to the top there at the end of the video. Go and have a look at that. But who made the Chatsworth pen, or who were they for? In this particular case, we'll show you in a moment. This one, I believe, is a Rue fountain pen made by Rue and made for the Boots the Chemist here in the UK. Now, Boots the Chemist is a chemist that was sort of established a long time ago. They're still currently in business, but a long time ago, in the sort of maybe 30s, 40s, they also sold stationery and they also sold fountain pens. Now, Boots the Chemist obviously didn't make their own pens, and what they did, they had an agreement with pen manufacturers to make pens for the chemist. And Boots the Chemist, actually, they sort of adopted a name, if you like, and the name was the Chatsworth Pen. So the model for, well, that Boots actually used for their pens were the Chatsworth Pen. And as I've just said, the people that made them pens for Boots the Chemist, in this particular case, was Rue. Now, I've also shown you the Chatsworth Pen. In fact, there's actually a bit of a theme here from the last couple of videos, because the Chatsworth Pens was also made by Burnham, and once again made for Boots the Chemist. So as I've just said, Boots the Chemist had the pens made for them by, well, renowned pen manufacturers of the period. Now, the Chatsworth pens, they came in numerous different shapes, colours, materials, etc. In this case, you can see it comes in this beautiful green and maybe black marbling. Absolutely gorgeous. And the nice thing about it, the quality of this pen is second to none, and it's as good as any pen manufacturer of them of that particular period, i.e. Waterman, Conway, Stewart, etc., etc. Now, the size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's 119 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a lovely 11 millimeters in diameter. You can see, as I said, in this beautiful green marbling. If we show you, can see it's a lever fill fountain pen. Let's go up to the cap. You can see the cap has a single rather thin cap band in gold plate, and then if we take you up to the clip there, you can see we've got a very recognizable ball clip, again of that period. And to the very top there, you remember I mentioned this in sort of a recent video. We've got this Rue symbol that they used at the time which is a circle with a sunburst pattern inside the circle. So that's why we know this one is a pen made for Boots the Chemist and made by the pen manufacturer Rue. To the very top there, you can see it's got a flat top, as you can see there, in black, which actually sort of complements the bottom of the barrel, as you can see there, in black as well. And one thing I sort of missed to tell you, there we go, to the very bottom you can see it's got the number 79. Now, to be quite honest with you, I'm not sure if the 79 is the model number or not, because once again, this particular pen I've seen under the Rue name, and as in this case, in the Chatsworth name as well. And they look, well, they're pretty well an identical pen, the only difference being what the imprint actually says. As we've just mentioned, this one made by Rue, it's called the Chatsworth, which was the name that was adopted by Boots the Chemist. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I said, it was just a little bit tired. I've fully disassembled it, cleaned everything internally. We've put a brand new sack in the pen. We've given it a little bit of a polish. It's looking absolutely stunning. And as I've just said, it's looking now for somebody to enjoy the pen. So we've got the threads there. We've got the section, quite a long section, flares out slightly towards the nib. And then if we show you the nib there, it's got a Warranted 14 carat best quality gold nib. And one thing you can't see, because it's hidden inside the section, to the very bottom of the nib, it actually has the number 17, which again has sort of stumped me a little, whether it's the size of the nib, the model size. Again, I'm not too sure. Once again, any of you people out there, you know the answer. Don't be shy, get in touch with us, share the information, because in this particular hobby, we all learn something new every day, and that's what makes it interesting. There's a sideways view, and then underneath we've got the feed, and it's a typical feed of the period and for Rue as well. It's a plain feed, lovely and clean, as you can quite rightly see there. Okay, as I said, everything gets thoroughly cleaned. It's a lovely size pen. I've got large hands, as I always repeat, and it's still a comfortable pen to hold and to write with. Now, because I've put a new sack in the pen, I'm not going to fill the pen. I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner. They can decide, do they just simply pop the pen into their collection to admire? Do they actually fill it with their favourite ink and use it as a daily writer? But what we'll do, I'll dip it in the ink to the side of me here, and let's see how the pen writes. So what we've got, okay, we've got a Rue pen of London. Now, the date of this pen, I'm going to say 1950s. Although saying that, Rue made pens for Boots the Chemist a lot earlier. They made some lovely earlier pens for Boots. But this one, As I said, I'm dating around about the 1950s. It's writing very nicely indeed. I don't feel any flex to the pen. Okay, but there we go. A very nice writer indeed. Writing, I would say, with, yeah, I would say definitely a medium, maybe slightly on the medium to broad side, but a gorgeous writer, as you can see there. And as you would expect from a major manufacturer of pens. Okay, so there we have it. An absolutely stunning green marbled fountain pen made by Rue Co Ltd and made for the retailer Boots the Chemist, who in turn used the name Chatsworth for their pens that are sold within the Boots the Chemist shops. Gorgeous. So let's find a new home for this beautiful, beautiful pen. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this beautiful pen. Bye-bye for now.